Today we are going to see how to create user account in Oracle 12c or 18c or 19c. So first, connect to database. Generally, who will create user accounts? DBA. So first connect as DBA. Connect as DBA. So how to connect as DBA? Before this, you need to understand Oracle 12c architecture or 18c, 19c. These three are known as cloud databases. So you should understand the cloud database login process. Here, first open SQL Plus. Let me open SQL Plus. Go to Start, Programs, Under Programs, switch to Oracle folder. This is Oracle folder. Under Oracle folder, select SQL Plus. Select SQL Plus. Yes, it was opened, right? First of all, we should connect as DBA. Why? See, in case of cloud database, first CDB connecting to CDB admin. Admin means DBA. DBA connecting to common database or container database or cloud database. Understand? Okay. Now see, here the username for DBA is system. In our local system, in our personal system, the username for DBA is system. Enter. Password is manager _1. Enter. Okay. Connected. Finally, see, connected. Okay. So first step completed. Who is this? CDB admin person connecting to cloud database. Okay. Sir, how do you know that? You can check here. I am executing two commands. Show user, username system. Show container name. Your database name is CDB. Your database name is CDB. So he was connected to this database. What is our target? We want to create user account for developer. We want to create user account for developer. Developer means this person. Developer always work with local database only. Developer always work with local database only. Okay. Now see here. So again I am repeating, guys. Developer always work with local database. Present DBA connected to global database. So DBA switch into local database. In the local database, he will create user account. Can I repeat again? This is your diagram. First step, DBA connected to CDB. And from CDB, switch into PDB. This is connection. This is switch. Once switched, create user account here. So first step completed. Connected to CDB. How to switch into PDB? Alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. Alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. After this command, what is the database name? Again, before this command, what is the database name? CDB. After this command, what is the database name? PDB. What is PDB? Pluggable database. What is pluggable database? Local database. Understand? Okay. Now what should I do? See, DBA present working with PDB. DBA present working with PDB means the same user present switched into PDB. Here in this he will create user account. So how to create user account? How to create user account? Create username Dinesh 8am Dinesh 8am. Okay, do one thing. Create user is a keyword. This is my username Dinesh 8am. Our class time considered as username here in my system, identified by welcome. Create is a command. User is a keyword. This is username. Identified by, it is a keyword. Welcome is the password. What is our username? Dinesh 8am. What is the password? Welcome. So quota 100M on users. All of you see, guys, all of you see, in Oracle 11G, in case of Oracle 11G, just connect as DBA like this. Connect as DBA. Connected. Okay. Don't worry about remaining things. Directly execute this command. Up to password. Only up to this part. Directly execute your command. Create user username identified by welcome. That's all. In case of 11G, from 12C onwards, follow the process. First step to last step in my explanation. In 11G, we don't need all these things. Okay. So up to selected part, that is user account creation in 11G. To create user account in 12C onwards, create username identified by welcome quota 100M on users. What is quota? Memory. How much memory? 100 MB memory reserved for this user account. Reserved for this user account on users. On users. Users is one area in that all user accounts are maintaining. Multiple users are there. For each user, reserving some memory. So username already existed. Old batch, in the old batch, maybe I have the same username. How to delete old user account? Drop username, drop username cascade. For deleting user account, use this command. Drop username cascade. Then the old user account will be deleted. After that, we will create a new user account. User dropped. Now again create new user account. I am creating new user account. User created. User created. Now next step, give permissions to the new user. This is the next step. How to give the permissions? Grant resource, comma, connect, comma, create session to, these are the permissions, resources, connecting permission, session level permission to Dinesh 8 a.m. What are the permissions you are giving? Grant means giving permission. What are the permissions? Whatever the resources for this user, that is resource. Whatever the connect permissions for the user, connect. And whenever he log in, whenever he connected, he will get a session. So session level permissions also we are giving to user. Grant succeeded. Now your user account is ready. Your user account is ready. User account created. So this is username and this is password. This is username and this is password. Let me disconnect from database. To disconnect from database, use exit command. To disconnect from database, use exit command. Closed. Your user account is ready. Then how to connect to database? How to connect to database? As developer, my next question is how to connect to database as a developer? So first step, open SQL Plus. Is open SQL Plus. Second step, connect as DBA. Third step, switch into pluggable database. Switch into pluggable database. And fourth step is connect as developer. So what is the developer name? Dinesh 8 a.m. 4 steps required. Okay, this is in Oracle 12c or 18c or 19c. So connecting to 12c or 18c or 19c. This is the process. So what is the process for connecting to 11G? Connecting to 11G. Simple. Open SQL Plus. First step. Second step, type like this, connect, here developer name slash password. Enough. See the difference between these two. This is the process for 12C or 18C or 19C. And this is the process for 11G. We don't worry about DBA connections, switching between databases. Okay, anyway, let me follow this process. Why? Because we are learning about this present. So go to SQL Plus. I want to open SQL Plus. Start programs. Under programs, Oracle folder. Go for Oracle folder. Here SQL Plus. Opened. What is the first step? Open SQL Plus completed. Connect as DBA. Connect as DBA. DBA username system. Password is manager_1. In my system, DBA connected. What is the next step? Switch into pluggable database. Switch into pluggable database. So how to switch? Alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. Sir, what is ORCL PDB? It is the default pluggable database. It is the default pluggable database available in Oracle 19c. Session altered means means database name was changed. Show container name. The database is this. Next step. What is the next step? Connect as developer. Connect as developer. How to connect? Connect Dinesh 8 am / welcome @ORCL PDB. Connect Dinesh 8 am / welcome @ORCL PDB. Means username / password @database name. But in case of 11G, what is happening? See here. In case of 11G, see the diagram. Connect space username / password. That's all. Don't use @database name. In case of 11G. So these are the different methods to connect to database. So show user. Who is the user present? Dinesh 8 am. Show database name. That is ORCL PDB. Right. Let me exit. Is there any other different methods? Is there any other different methods to open SQL Plus? We know how to open SQL Plus from start button. We know how to open SQL Plus from start button, but I want to know other methods. See, from the search window, type SQL Plus. You can open here. Another method is from command window. This is the simplified method. Just see. Command window. Open it. From the command window, directly you can connect as a developer. See, SQL Plus. SQL Plus. Here I am giving two methods, guys. If I type SQL Plus and hit enter, it is asking username. Then compulsory we have to go to developer from DBA. First connect as DBA. Next alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. And then connect as Dinesh 8 am / welcome @ORCL PDB. Other method. Okay, this is one method. So here, first connect as a system, next switch into PDB, next connect as developer. 3 steps you are doing. Without these 3 steps, can I connect in a single attempt? Yes, you can connect in a single attempt. Open command window. Here SQL plus space, give your username and password, database name also. Database name also. Completed. You have directly connected to database in a single step. No need to use multiple steps. Okay. So this is about how to create a user account in 12c in any cloud database or in any Oracle 11g. And also how to delete user account, drop username. See here guys, in this document I have given how to create a user account in Oracle 12c or 18c or 19c. I have given whatever I have explained here, each and every step I have given here. Open SQL plus, login as DBA, and if you want to know current username, execute this command. This is the result. And if you want to know current database name, execute this command. Okay, and how to switch into local database. Local database, also known as pluggable database. Alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. Once you switched, now how to create user account. This is the syntax and this is the example. Create username identified by password, quota, some size, M for MB on users. Next, once user created, how to grant resources. Resource comma connect comma, another one is there, create session to Dinesh. Actually here I am using Dinesh username. In your system, use your own name. Dinesh account is ready. How to connect to database as Dinesh. Connect. You can use directly connect complete command or short command. This is a short command. Connect Dinesh / welcome @ORCL PDB. Here you should be very careful. You can write username in any case, capital case, small case, mixed case, any case, but password compulsory. Remember which case password you have used at the time of user creation. If you have used small case password, then use small case only. If you have used capital case password, use capital case only. That's why I have given the note. Password is case sensitive. Whatever I had explained in the video, the same process I have given in the document step by step. How to create user account under Oracle 11g. It's very simple. Open SQL plus, connect as DBA like this. username and password. Create user username identified by password. Granting resources. Grant resource comma connect to username. Here, if you want to specify, create session privilege also. Once user account created, granting resources completed. How to connect as Dinesh? Connect username / password. In any database, how to delete user account? First connect as DBA and execute this command. Drop user username cascade. Then your any user account will be deleted. What are the important questions up to here? What is multi-tenancy? What is multi-tenancy? I closed the diagram. Let me open it again. What is multi-tenancy? This is one of the interview question. Multi-tenants means the families residing under one apartment, that is called as multi-tenant. Tenants, the residing families in one apartment is known as a tenant. Here maintaining multiple small databases, under one big database. This is a big database. Under this we are maintaining small databases. This is called as multi-tenancy. Based on multi-tenancy technology concept, that the cloud was implemented. The cloud technology implemented based on multi-tenancy. Next, what is a pluggable database? Pluggable database is a small database or local database residing under cloud. What are the advantages of Oracle 19c? Cost is reducing. Maintenance cost is reducing. If you make changes in the cloud, the changes immediately available in the local databases. More levels of security. Communication is easy between one pluggable database to another pluggable database. And what are the types of RDBMS in a project? In any project, we can see two types of RDBMS: OLTP RDBMS, OLAP RDBMS. OLTP means online transaction processing. OLAP means online analytical processing. So these are the important questions related to today's topic. Any questions, guys? If you have any questions, then ask me.
Sir,
Yes.
how to create a username and password, sir?
That is what I have explained today.
Yes, sir, I am joining late, sir.
Manikanta,
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, so watch the video. It is easy. Okay, for you,
Okay.
I am
Okay.
explaining again. See, I am explaining again. Who will create user accounts?
Your
Who will create user
users
accounts in the real-time DBA? DBA,
DBA.
see, SQL plus uh, DBA username, DBA password, and DBA is connecting to local database. Completed, connected. So present DBA is creating user account. See, create user SAM, or otherwise use money. Create user money identified by money 123. It is your password. This is username and this is password.
Okay, sir.
Quota 100M on users. User account created. Give the permissions. Grant resource, comma, connect, comma, create session to money. All required permissions are granted. And how to connect as money? Okay, here money user account was created. Tomorrow onwards, I want to connect to database. I want to connect as connect to database as money. Open command window, SQL plus money slash money 123 at the rate ORCLPDB. Direct. He was connected. Show user.
Yes. Okay, sir.
So in this way, we can create user accounts.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Is there any questions remaining people, guys?
Sir, yesterday notes,
Yes.
please send me. Yesterday notes
Sure.
on section.
I will send. Yesterday I forgot about sending documents. I will send it to you.
Yes.
Is there any installation related questions? Is there any installation related questions? In our session, anybody has a system with 8 GB RAM? Okay,
No, sir, my system is 2 GB RAM, sir.
okay. If anybody is there with 8 GB, then just inform it to me. Then I will show you how to install. Shubham, okay. In the upcoming classes, remind me maybe on Wednesday or Tuesday. So okay, we will do it on Wednesday. On Wednesday, coming Wednesday, I will show you how to install Oracle 19c. Live in the class only, I will show you how to install Oracle 19c. Do you have Oracle 19c software? Shubham. Okay. So have you tried already? Installation tried or not tried? Oh, no. So, okay. What happened? Successful or fail? Okay. If it was failed, do one thing. I will upload how to uninstall. I have some. Okay. Only extracted. Okay. Installation not done by you, right? Okay, then I will show you how to install. No problem. In case if you have any problem with installations or uninstallation, here I have some videos I have recorded in our online classes only. Personally, how to install and uninstall Oracle 11G. These are the two videos. And how to install and uninstall Oracle 19C. This is installation part 1, installation part 2. Okay, I will upload these videos and then you can watch them. If you have any problem, then you can uninstall them also. Right? That's all for today. Tomorrow, tomorrow no session. Again, we will meet on Monday. Monday, I am going to take a fresh demo. Again, fresh demo means don't expect 3 days beginning classes. No, I will take a demo. After Monday, we will continue after user account creation concept. After Monday, I will continue with the user account creation after user account creation concept. Right? Okay, guys. That's all for today. Thank you, all of you. See you on Monday.